In this video, you will learn how to ask and tell what someone wants to do. This structure is slightly different from others because you need to learn a couple of different patterns. One is when you want to say, I want to, and the other one is when you want to say someone wants to do. Let's begin the first one. Here are 3 sample sentences. 日本に行きます。I go to Japan. 晩ご飯に寿司を食べます。I eat sushi for dinner. And テレビを見ます。I watch TV. Let me show you how you convert these sentences to want-to form. The steps are very easy. Step 1. You simply replace must with たいです。Now the first sentence reads, 日本に行きたいです。I want to go to Japan. Second sentence. Replace must with たいです。Now the second sentence reads, 晩ご飯に寿司を食べたいです。I want to eat sushi for dinner. The last sentence. Replace must with たいです。Now the third sentence reads, テレビを見たいです。I want to watch TV. Step 2. This is a bit tricky part. In this structure, in another word I want to structure, particle を can be replaced with が. This happens only when the particle is を. Other particles such as に are not affected. Particle が indicates something you have, possess, or own. This includes not only physical or visible objects, but also something invisible. For example, your wishes, likes and dislikes, ability, and skills. These elements can be expressed with particle が. You will see or hear both を and が in I want to structure in modern Japanese. If you want to avoid confusion, just stick to particle を. Let's move on to someone wants to do structure. Unfortunately, you cannot use たいです for a third person because it is based on the belief that you can never make a statement about a third person's intention. Grammatically, it works in English, but not in Japanese. So what options do you have? Option 1, instead of たいです, use たいそうです. そうです means I've heard. So the nuance will be slightly different, but this is one of the options you can choose. I've already talked about the particle が, so I don't go any further here. Option 2, replace must with たがっています. This is the equivalent to たいです structure and can deliver the same nuance as たいです. But the problem is particle swap between を and が. I tried to replace を with が and verbalize the sentences, but they just don't sound right. In たがっています structure, particle を remains as it is. It is not interchangeable with particle が. Summary. Number 1. When you want to say I want to do something, replace verb must ending with たいです. Number 2. Particle を in I want to structure can be replaced with が. Look at the example. 寿司を食べます. In I want to do structure, it becomes 寿司を食べたいです or 寿司が食べたいです. Both sentences are correct. Number 3. When you want to say someone wants to do something, replace verb must ending with either たいそうです or たがっています。And number 4, in たがっています structure, particle o remains.